Hello everyone. Today shall discuss about factorization using identities. We know that a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. The following solved examples illustrate how to use these identities for factorization. What we do is to observe the given expression. If it has a form that fits the right hand side of one of the identities, then the expression corresponding to the left hand side of the identity gives the desired factorization. For example, this one, x square plus 8x plus 16, it can be written as x square plus 2 into x into 4 plus 4 square, or x square plus 8x plus 16, that can be written as x plus 4 whole square, required factorization. Next one is 4y square minus 12y plus 9. It can be written as 2y whole square minus 2 into 3 into 2y into plus 3 whole square. That is 2y minus 3 whole square. And the example 6 is 49p square minus 36. That is 7p whole square minus 6 square. 7p minus 6 into 7p plus 6. The required factorization. Here a square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. Or it can be written as a minus b whole square minus c square. Or applying again identity 2, identity 3, that is a minus b minus c, a minus b plus c, that is a minus b minus c into a minus b plus c. Factor is m to the power 4 minus 256. This m4 can be written as m square to the whole square or 256 equals 16 square. So we can write m square whole square minus 16 square, that is m square minus 16 into m square plus 16. M square minus 16 can be again written as m square minus 4 square, that is m minus 4 in m plus 4. So it can be written as m minus 4 in m plus 4 in m square plus 16. Factors of the form x plus a into x plus b. Let us now discuss how we can factorize expressions as one variable like x square plus 5x plus 6, y square minus 7y plus 12, z square minus 4z minus 12, 3m square plus 9m plus 6, etc. Observe that these expressions are not of the type a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. That is, they are not perfect squares. For example, in x square plus 5 plus 6, the term 6 is not a perfect square. These expressions obviously also do not fit the type a square minus b square either. They however seem to be of the type x square plus x plus a into bx into x plus ab. We may therefore try to use identity 4 studied in the last chapter to factorize these expressions. X square plus x plus b plus a plus b into x plus ab. Like this one, x square plus 5x plus 6. 5x plus 6. If we compare right hand side with identity 4 with x square plus 5x plus 6, we find ab is equal to 6 and a plus b is equal to 5. From this we must obtain a and b. The factors will then be x plus a into x plus b. Here ab equal to 6. It means that a, b are the factors of 6, and let us try a equal to 6, b equal to 6. For these values a plus b equal to 7, not 5, so this choice is not right. Again, a is equal to 2, b equal to 3, a plus b equal to 5 exactly as required. The factorization form of the given expression is x plus 2 into x plus 3. Also you can find this one, xy square minus 7y plus 12. We note that 12 is equal to 3 into 4 and 3 plus 4 equal to 7. The y square minus 3y minus 4y equal to plus 12, or y multiplied by y minus 3 minus 4 y minus 3 y minus 3 into y minus 4. Note, this time we do not compare the expression with that identity 4 to identify a and b. After sufficient practice, we may not need to compare the given expressions for their factorization with the expressions in the identities. Instead, you can proceed directly as we did above. Obtain the factors z square minus 4z minus 12. It can be written as z square minus 6z minus plus 2z minus 12 equal to z into z minus 6 plus 2 into z minus 6, z minus 6 into z plus 2. Find the factors of 3m square plus 9m plus 6. That is 3 into 1 factor 3m square plus 3m plus 2, or m square plus 3m plus 2, m square plus m plus 2m plus 2, m common m plus 1 in plus 2 into m plus 1, that is m plus 1 into m plus 2. Therefore 3m square plus 9m plus 6 equal to 3 into m plus 1 into m plus 2. In this way you can find also factorize any other question. In the next video we will do the exercises of exercise 14.2. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.